Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with a protein-packed snacks recipe, which is very easy to make and is quite savory and refreshing. We are going to make Pudina paneer fingers. Let's get started with the cooking process. First, we are going to make Pudina chutney, which we will use in marinating the paneer as well. We are going to make a paste of mint leaves, coriander leaves and yogurt with a little bit of salt as well in a blender. For making paneer fingers, we obviously need paneer or cottage cheese block cut in finger shape. We are using the frozen variety, but the fresh ones tastes even better. Now we will coat the paneer fingers with the dry masalas and green chutney. For this we are going to need turmeric powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, and Pudina chutney. We will let the paneer rest for 15 minutes to soak up all the masalas. Now we will take breadcrumbs or coating mix in a plate. I am using store-bought one for making it easy on myself. If you prefer, you can make your own at home. Now roll the marinated paneer in the coating mix to coat all the sides evenly. This will ensure that the coating sticks to your paneer and not fall off during frying. Now heat vegetable oil in a pan and fry the coated paneer fingers in one side for 3 minutes on high heat or for 5 minutes on medium heat. Then flip the paneer on its opposite side and just repeat the process. You can use any other neutral tasting oil which has high heat capacity like rice bran oil, groundnut oil, etc. Now take out the fingers and place it on a tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Serve it with the dip we made earlier. You can also make a salad to go with it. Isn't it an easy and quick recipe? Not only that, but it is very rich in protein and calcium, which makes it an ideal snack for growing kids as well as adults. Please like this video to help our channel grow. For more such recipe videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss our upcoming uploads. Hope to see you again in our next video.